What's good with y'all boys, man? Duffy Boy Gang, you feel me? That's what y'all wanted me to call you. So I'm gonna call you that. We've been over this. You feel me? Alright, but yeah, we about to be reacting to this video right here. And then yeah, we about to get into it. I got my man right here with me. You feel me?
Money making Chris, man. You heard, man.
Yeah. Chris. Remember that name. He gonna be in a couple more videos. You feel me? He won a feature. He got a feature. He had to pay. He had to pay 100 racks. But I mean, he did it.
Yeah, it's been that check, man.
It's been that check for me. Nah, he just playing. Nah, but yeah, we about to react to this video for y'all. I heard it was hilarious, bro. I don't know though. I ain't never hear it. So I'm about to react to it with y'all.
Music on your phone. Send it in quiet.
Okay.
Nigger. Hold up. Nigger. Hold up. Nigger.
See? Hold on.
You got some.
Fuck is the world?
Why would y'all have me react to this? That is the question. Do y'all like my do-rag, by the way? See, right here. I know. Nah, but why would y'all have me react to this? Take a moment of silence.
Music on your phone, sending it quiet and call with your ass. Yeah. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 niggers at my slave house. At my slave house. At my slave house.
Yo, they say my slave count there? He said my slave count.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 whips ready to whip you down.
Oh, he bugging.
Ready to whip you down. Ready to whip you down.
I gonna hold you. I would slap some.
Ready to whip you down. Ready to whip you down.
Yo.
You crackers fucking all your brothers and sisters, yeah.
Oh.
You tried to kill your own mom, you need help. You shot the middle school up by yourself. You can't even season no meat, you need help. I know what'll make them crackers go crazy. I be running through their neighborhoods daily.
Okay.
Y'all be fucking monkeys cause y'all started HIV. They don't fuck with Jordans, they just wear Heelys. Y'all be running
Hold on. Yo, bro, you remember the Heelys though, bro?
Hell yeah, bro. I remember niggas, the white boys used to be running through the school.
Nah, me too. No, bro, I had them dreads too, bro.
Emo hair though, with the long ass emo hair.
No, bro, I used to have them dreads too, bro. I used to ride with them dreads in school though. You ever been like in school and like you be walking or something like that, and then you had like the wheel on the back of them, bro. You get the slide on them.
Watch out for my boy, bro. My boy about to wear that shit, wear them shits for graduation. Yeah. They light up on the bottom.
Better wear the Heelys. Nah, I'm lying. Nah, I'm coming to y'all for a graduation too though. I met y'all with my graduation vlog, you feel me? Stay tuned for that. Coming Tuesday, you feel me? Alright, stay tuned for that though. We about to get back into it though. Let's cool up.
Android, you cracks be having babies by your blood cousin. I be laughing when I see a redneck homeless. Boy, I thought your white skin was a bonus. Shaking my head.
Oh, you said I thought your white skin was a
Music on your
bonus.
phone, sending it quiet ass call with your ass. Yeah, bro, I got the slaps. Take me back to slavery so I can rape the nigger ladies. I just
He said the
me
nigger
a little
ladies.
slave boo. Little slave boo. Take me back to slavery cause I've been feeling racist lately. I just need me a nigger or two. Sometimes I wonder why. Man, you got some music on your phone sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass.
Oh, tunnel vision, okay.
These crackers don't know how to season chicken. That's why I don't trust them in the kitchen. I need me a snow bunny who gon' listen. Cause these black girls always fucking bitchin'. Racist police always wanna write some tickets. Boy, I was going 45 and 50. They hanging niggas up in Mississippi. That's why I gotta keep
let it stop, bruh. Don't think that we don't like white people, cause we like white people.
Right?
It's just that what he's saying got us mad. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But like, don't get me wrong. I like everybody equal. It's just it matter what you say. You know what I'm saying? Like I understand if we called y'all something and y'all called something back. But I mean, that's the only time I understand it. Like at this moment, I don't like that. Like come on now, Connors, back to slavery. Like who do that? Feel me? But I like everybody equal though. So all my subscribers, please do not leave me cut because of this. Do not. I beg you. Please. Say it. Say it. Say please.
Please.
Please don't leave.
Please don't leave. Please.
You got some music on your phone sitting in quiet ass club with your ass. Yeah, you already know.
He always brushing his hair and I got no way.
For real. Got straight Brillo pad. He got the sponge. Yo, he got the sponge here.
You know they picking cotton.
Oh. You said they picking cotton?
I'm a slave god. I'm a slave. You know they picking cotton.
I'm a slave god.
I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god. Woke up to niggas picking cotton.
Oh, they
Woke up to niggas that skate. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up to niggas that skate. Woke up. I woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up. I woke up to niggas that skate. Woke up. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up. Woke up to niggas that skate. Ooh, I think they running.
Why you looking
Yeah, they
like that?
running.
I wonder if they're gonna start fighting.
In this quiet ass car with your ass.
Cause like they're doing that a
What
lot.
kind of question was that?
Molly Percocet. Feel me?
Rednecks, fucking rednecks, rednecks, fucking rednecks, yeah, stinking wet, yeah, they stinking wet, they fuck their kids, and they fuck their pets, yeehaw, bad salts, meth and bad salts, meth, bad salts, meth and bad salts, zombie, rednecks, fucking rednecks, fuck them, they fuck their kids, and they fuck their pets, yeehaw.
Bro, I know your ass got some music on your phone, bro. I'm tired of sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass.
Bro, you always ask me.
Play that shit, bro.
Alright.
Know some young niggas I can hang.
Yo.
Do you know some young niggas I can hang? Fuck that nigga slave and I pussy stink. Every day drinking Kool-Aid. Made a light skin bitch my housemaid.
Housemaid?
Lord around with some chicken wings.
Okay.
Whip a slave, watch me whip a slave.
Whip a slave?
If she leave the porch, she go get hanged. I got options, light skin, dark skin niggas right now. Get 'em. And once I hang a nigga, when he go up, he ain't coming down.
Yo, he choking me. See this, man.
Fuck, man, I'm hungry.
Yo,
bro.
there's boobies
Where
out.
the fuck my fork at?
Right there in your fucking hand, your fat ass. What the fuck you doing eating salad anyway? Can you play some
Really
fucking
like that.
music, bro?
You ain't gotta tell me, bud. You ain't gotta tell me.
This shit sound like it might crank.
How you want to eat a salad but you like that fat? Though?
I don't really care if you're white. I'm still gonna fuck your white wife. I can see the racist shit.
Was that a French fry? Hold on.
Fucking music, bro.
You ain't gotta
Tell
tell
me
me,
that wasn't no
bud.
French fry.
You ain't gotta tell me.
This shit sound like it might crank. Crackers, I don't really care if you're white.
How you got fat eating
I'm
salad,
still
bro? That's all I
gonna fuck
know.
your white wife.
Yo,
He getting nailed.
he got a French fry in his belly button, bro. Yo,
Boy, wow.
yo, he got a French fry in his belly button.
French fry though, just poking out all types of crazy. It's funny.
Yo, that's a French fry. You getting nailed, bruh.
I can see the races sitting in your eyes. I'm gonna fuck her while listening to Plies. Your sister fucked your dad. That is why you're mad. You can't go to the beach. The sun makes you turn red. Trump is your best friend. Honky motherfucker shooting schools up off their meds. You crackers smell like pets. You smell like dogs
you put the plastic bag.
You are fucking gross. Trifling and shit. White people try to keep black people from reading back in the slave days. White people suck ass. Trump is a little bitch.
Music on your phone. I'm not finna keep sending this quiet ass call with you, bro.
First of all, you need to calm your fucking attitude.
Man, play that shit, bro.
This shit not finna make it not hot.
Bitch, this music, huh? Say nigga, bitch, you can't fuck with me if you wanna. You wanna fuck that chicken and that watermelon and that barbecue. Your little boy got on Jordans and your fucking rent due. And when I see a nigga in my house, I feel uncomfortable. I don't fuck with blacks, white power rule. Why? Said I don't fuck with blacks, white power rule. If I see a nigga out, I'm gonna have to use my news. Said I don't fuck with blacks, white power rule. We do.
What are you doing with? What are you? Why you had that African shirt on? Oh, he switched shirts?
Velcro face ass.
Oh, see?
Fuck a cracker, you got bumps on your face.
Oh.
Racist police tried to spray me with some mace.
Oh.
White
Look
devil,
at
bitch, your soul
people
filled with
dancing.
hate. Bitch, you mad cause your mama booty flat like pancakes. We can't be friends cause your dad owns some slaves. You go to bars and drink vodka to the face. White bitch, silly cracker took his daughter on a date. Bitch, you ain't know that that was fucking statutory rape. Chew tobacco at the NASCAR race. Bitch, you smell like doo-doo, fuck out my face. Your bitches got no body, flat booty race. I like your moody bitch, you'll die today. Shoot a cracker right through his toupee. White people have no legacy. Fuck white people, you pink looking bitch. White people look like baloney. Fuck white people, you nasty pimple face, nasty bitch. You cousin fucking bitch, you beer drinking, tobacco chewing, cousin fucking bitch.
Alright, so listen, man. Listen. Comment down below what was your favorite one. To tell so y'all can tell us which one your favorite one. And then we gonna tell y'all our favorite one. I'm not gonna lie, my favorite one was the race. It was cause that beat in the way that he was rapping. But there was a lot of other joints in there that I like too, but that joint was hilarious. Y'all boys ain't lie about that joint. It was just a little racist. I mean, we gotta stop the violence. We don't promote violence unless you have to promote violence. Feel me? Nah, but yeah, we gonna be making another video probably tomorrow. Yeah, probably tomorrow. We got y'all though. We gonna post another one, but today, I got this joint. You feel me? Alright, so that's it for today's video. Duffy Gang.
Gang.
You ready? Back at it.
Back at it.